We're having fun now. How fast are we going? They won't drive it too much.
You don't even have to drive this thing. You can't steer it. They don't steer it.
I'll move your head. In a minute. Brian's doing good. He's there, I think.
Yep.
Great.
Over here we have our new roller coaster going on.
And look at that new roller coaster.
Ride is now coming to an end. Please remain seated until instructed to by your
Bring Papa on the new one.
Hey, and if you're hungry, Red's Diner just across the street from the Rock and Roll Pit. The best burgers in town. For burgers, fries, and shakes. Red's.
Jenna! 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 Make a video. Bring it down. It's right over.
Rod's over.
Damn.
Stop being scared now. This side, right here.
There's one.
That's
Over
that.
here, over here. Gotta go this way.
I was scared. Were y'all scared?
No. It was.
What do you want to say to everybody at home?
I already sent it to the shop, the one of Brian and Hal, and they're together now holding on to his hat. I think the boys are still having fun playing with cars.
All right, over and out.